So we got Oweeby, Lebanon. I think I said that right. We have an idiot driver number 1, idiot driver number 2. Let's take a look at this. Let's take a look at the first idiot. That's definitely an idiot driver, but I have right here, not much you could do here. Hopefully you have full gear just in case you got hit. Part of being a smart rider, acquired and uses personal protective equipment. Helmet, jacket, pants, gloves, boots. So he did good, he didn't get pissed. Okay, this is gonna be the second driver. Second idiot driver, let's take a look. Uncommon thing, uncommon thing. Good job adapting to that situation. So right here, saw the uncommon thing. Look at that, into our lane, into our lane. Not good, so what did we do? We actually adjusted. We just adapted to it. Very, very good. Did a great job with this. Handled it, handled it. Woo. All right, so what do we have here? We have ESBK Life. All it says is great after action review. So I guess we're gonna let ESBK Life do the after action review of this. Let's see.
Here, I think what I did was I had too much speed for the line that I had chosen, and I hit the seam.
There he's going down.
Throttle input as
full gear.
Body weight.
Full gear.
For throttle input, which puts me on just a horrible line into the grass. And I actually almost make it all the way through. I thought I was going to make it all the way through, but...
He's at a track, everybody. Look at the runoff. Look at the runoff at the track.
I'm not going to make it through there. So I go down, do a few slides and rolls.
This could have been the side of a cliff. That could have been the side of a cliff. So if what he's saying basically is he's going through the turn and he hit a bump and it accidentally gave him some throttle acceleration. Which what happens when you give more throttle in the middle of a turn? It wants to kind of make you go straight and stand you up, and that's what pushed him out. So imagine hitting a rock in the middle of the mountains and you go off a cliff, or you go into the side of a cliff, or you go into the oncoming traffic and go head on into a car at these speeds. This is where you practice those skills. This is where you practice these higher speed skills, is at a track. Go to a track.
So I'm not going to make it through there. So I go down.
He tried to save it.
Do a few slides and rolls.
There's the splits that are going to hurt, but it lands on, look, it lands on his back. This is why you have back protectors in your jackets and have a helmet. You're going to roll around, so now you're going to hit your right shoulder, right hip. This is where you have motorcycle protective gear.
Ultimately, I'm fine.
Face and everything.